Are you ready to move and you're thinking about using your current house as a short-term rental instead of selling it? 28% of homeowners have considered it, so you're not alone. Having an extra income stream is tempting, but a recent Bankrate article makes it clear managing a rental property can be time-consuming and challenging. So before you make that decision, understand why it may be better just to sell your place. First, owning a short-term rental comes with responsibilities. These include property maintenance, tenant screening, and more. Plus, you face risks like property damages, regulatory violations, and complaints from nosy neighbors. And second of all, not every house is suitable as a short-term rental, especially if your neighborhood isn't a popular travel destination. You need to research how desirable your location is to know if you'll be able to achieve your financial goals. So while renting out your house may seem like a good investment, it could be better to sell it instead. Reach out to me. Let's talk about your real estate needs here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. My name is Rick Andrews. You can reach me by cell at 828-557-9139 or shoot me an email at rick@callrickandrews.com. As always, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much.